everyone, good evening. Welcome to Mrs. Diva. Welcome to the Facebook group of Mrs. Diva. My name is Astha Jain and I'm a business coach and consultant for women entrepreneurs. So, how are you all doing? Do let me know as soon as you guys join this live session, and just give me a moment. I will open this session on my laptop also so that I can keep reading your comments. Just a moment, guys. So I know we are doing this session after a very long time today. As much as I love doing live coaching sessions, somehow we did not do this session for a very long time, and do just let me know. I hope I'm yes, I found it. I just got confused. Where am I doing it? Hi Monica, how are you doing? Great. So do just drop in a hi and a hello. Hi Dr. Shadabdi, how are you? How are you doing? Thank you so much, Monica. Thank you very much. Okay, so let me just give you a little bit of a brief. So today's business coaching session, it's an open business coaching session. Anybody of you can come live with me, and you can, hi Surbi, you can ask your question, the problem that you're facing in your business, any challenge that you're facing, or you could drop in the comments below. You have your tea with you, Surbi. Okay, wonderful. That's nice. Okay, and you can either come live with me on screen and ask your question, or you can drop in your question in the comment section below. Hi Ketki, thank you for joining in. Hi Priyanka, hi. So okay, yes, I'm so sorry, I had to shift the timing because of some reason. Hi Harbina, hi Manaz. Thank you guys, keep joining in, keep dropping in your highs and hellos so that I know that you guys are here. Thank you so much Surbi, thank you very much. Okay, so hi Jeel, hi Meeti, thank you guys. So we'll just before we start with the actual session, let me just give you a bit of my introduction once again for all the new joinees. Hi Dolly, thank you for joining in. My introduction once again for all the new people, and after that we'll make a few exciting announcements, and then we will start with this session. In the meantime, you guys can keep dropping in your questions and let me know in the comments who wants to join me in the live on screen and ask their question. And thank you Surbi, thank you very much. Okay, so like I said, my name is Astha Jain and I'm a business coach and a consultant. I help women entrepreneurs in making their business more profitable, more sustainable and more scalable. Hi Shikha, thank you for joining in. Hi Pooja, how are you guys doing? And so okay, I did not make this announcement yet. Hi Movina, how are you doing? I did not make this announcement yet, but March is going to be March is a very special month, of course, for me and for all of us. Thank you so much Movina, thank you very much. So March is a very special month for all of us. Of course, we have International Women's Day, and we all of us, we work so hard. Someone posted in the group, I don't remember who posted that, every woman work very hard, but there's a very less percentage of women which get very less percentage that gets paid for it. So that's very true. Every woman, thank you so much Shikha. So all women, they work very hard, but there is a very less percentage that gets paid for it. So that's very true. So we should really celebrate. Plus it is my birthday month also, so for me it's very special. And so March is going to be very special for us in Mrs. Diva, because we are declaring the whole month as Women's Month, and we are going to celebrate a lot. Hi Ruchi, thank you for joining in. Hi Monica, how are you doing? So we are going to celebrate the complete month, not just one day. एक दिन हम celebrate नहीं करेंगे. We are going to celebrate the complete month, and we are going to declare it Women's Month. And we have already started in members have started connecting with me for offers and for special contests and everything. And they have, hi Sarika, thank you for joining in. So hi Isita, how are you doing? I am sorry, that is how you pronounce your name, Isita, right? Okay, so members have already started connecting with me for a lot of offers and contests. Hi Julie, surprises, and we will gradually roll out everything. We'll divide it in the whole complete month from 1st to 31st March. Hi Meena, thank you for joining in. And apart from that, Mrs. Diva also is going to give out a lot of surprises and a lot of offers for all of you. That is given, that is definitely given. And a few of the surprises, you'll love them, and those will be for everybody, so don't miss out on them. And if anyone else wants to collaborate, they can connect with me directly. You have my WhatsApp number. Please send in a WhatsApp that you would like to collaborate with us. Then we have the next batch of registered members intro tomorrow. I'm going to roll out the creative for that after this live session. So we had the first batch last week. You saw our beautiful members, beautiful girls who are the registered members, and you saw their introduction. So next batch number 2, they will be going out tomorrow. So we will again have a Zoom session with them, and we'll beam it on our Facebook page and share it here in the group. Yes, Surbi, thank you. And then another big announcement that we had is, hi Preeti. So another big announcement that we have is that for Delhi NCR people, so this is for the Delhi NCR people, we have our networking meet and greet on 7th of March, which is a Sunday, from 12 to 2 p.m. This will be in Central Delhi, and those of you who would like to attend, they can connect with me on WhatsApp. There are no charges involved in this, but this will be BYOF, which is bring your own food. You can bring your own friend also, but you will have to, of course, let us know. This will be there will be no charges for this at all. And yes, we will also be coming up for rest of our members, of course, जो कि दिल्ली में नहीं है, उनके लिए भी हम definitely कुछ ना कुछ plan करेंगे, आएगा ज़रूर definitely. And then we kickstarted our gratitude week today, guys. I'm sure a lot of you have seen that post. Thanks to Malti and thanks to Sakshi, Malti Vaswani from Number Future, and Sakshi M. Chug from Inner Hues and Moonchild. दोनों ही ventures Sakshi के हैं. We have started our gratitude week. I have made a post and I've pinned it in the announcements. So all of you, from the beginning of time, जब से आपको याद है Mrs. Diva में आप लोग ने join किया है, you just have to write आपने किसी से कुछ भी शॉप किया है, कोई भी सर्विस ली है, वी हैव नॉट अटैच्ड एनी स्ट्रिंग्स, कोई वैल्यूज में अटैच नहीं है, कुछ भी शॉप किया है, छोटी से छोटी चीज शॉप की है एंड यू हैव लाइक्ड इट, इफ यू हैव टेकन एनी सर्विसेज, कुछ भी आपने सर्विस अवेल किया है, बड़ी से बड़ी वैल्यू हो, छोटी से छोटी वैल्यू हो, completely no strings attached, you just have to write their name and write the name of the product and service, and under that thread only, so comment section में ही उसके लिखिएगा. It is in the announcement post and it is pinned also in the group. And the person who gets the maximum mentions, two people, दो members जिनके सबसे ज़्यादा mentions आएंगे, they will get a surprise gift from Malti and Sakshi. So 2 people. Okay, yes, Surbi. So guys, everybody, you have the whole week. So Monday to Sunday, ये पूरा का पूरा week जो है gratitude week रहेगा. And hi Paridit, how are you? Hi Rakhi, hi Garima. So the complete week is gratitude week, guys. So if you have liked anything, if you have bought anything, if you have taken any services from Mrs. Diva, any Mrs. Diva member, इसमें कोई, hi Shreya, कोई registered, कोई non-registered members, we are not talking about anyone in particular. किसी से भी आपने कुछ भी लिया है, ज़रूर, hi Smriti, ज़रूर mention कीजिए. And then Sunday तक it is open. And then you guys can this is how we are kickstarting the gratitude week. So okay guys, let's start. These were the announcements that I yes Mubina, definitely do it after this session. So you have the complete week from Monday to Sunday, and then this is how we are gonna like keep celebrating all the weeks. आगे हम हर week कुछ ना कुछ लेके आएंगे. Okay, so let us quickly start with this session because ये business coaching session है, and this is a very very important session today guys. Hi Meghna, how are you doing? Okay, so I'm guys, if anybody wants to come live with me on screen, do write it to me in the comment section. Hi Sapna, how are you? Comment section, and I will bring you live. I can either send you an invite, or you can send in a request, and I'll accept your request, and I will bring you live with me. You can ask any business challenge that you are facing, and I'm going to resolve it for you. And until I have, or you can write the questions. Definitely, if you want, you can write your questions in the comment section. I will read the questions and I'm going to answer them for you until we start getting the questions. And there are a few points that I wanted to discuss with you, so I'm just starting with those points. So guys, there is one point, or rather I would say the most important point that I wanted to touch base and I wanted to speak to you guys about is that what I see when I talk to you guys and in my coaching sessions also, that one of the problems that I have to deal with, or one of the challenges rather I would say that I have to deal with, is to is that I see you guys holding yourselves back. Hi Deepthi, how are you? Hi Kiran, how are you doing? You guys hold yourselves back from trying out new things. And hi Smriti, hi Priyanka. So you guys hold yourselves back from trying out new things, and because of because most of the times the reason is what someone else is going to think, what someone else is going to think about you, what someone else is going to say, what someone else is going to yes Subi. So I can understand this, and I have to deal with this challenge a lot, and I have to I have to answer this question for a lot of you, and I want you all to really think about this thing today, that does it really matter what someone else is going to say about what you are doing, or what if you're going to try something new with your business, if you're going to try something new with your work, or if you're going to try out working something. Does it really matter at the end of the day? That person. Hi Ashna Didi, how are you doing? Thank you for joining in. Hi Sonia, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Right. So yes, exactly Deepthi. So just get up and just get going. Think about it. Think about it. Does it really matter if someone else really? I can understand that. See, people will always be judgmental. People will always be judgmental. There will always be someone who will not be happy with you. There will always be someone who probably is going to say that you could have done things better, or you should not do it like this, or you should not do it that way. But till the time you think that you have given your best, or till the time there is something that you want to do, I really don't think that you should bother. So this was the first point. This is a point of endless discussion, guys. I'm just touch basing the tip of the iceberg. So, and don't forget, if you're facing any challenges, you can keep writing in the comment section. I'm here today to resolve your business challenges. So these are the points that I wanted to discuss with you. And yes, Mubina, it's some okay. So Mubina is saying it's sometimes not about being judgmental. Mubina, hi Aruna Ji, how are you doing? So Mubina, you tell me what stops you from trying out something. Okay, Mubina is saying that it is about the fear. Will this work? Mubina, this fear, yes. Will this work or not? Okay, so what is the worst case scenario? You tell me. So according to me, the worst case scenario is that I'm going to fail. And think of it this way: when did failure become bad? This thing is being deep rooted into us for a very very long time, that failure is bad. I'm going to tell you today that think of it from another point of view. Failure is not bad. How is failing bad? I have failed a lot of times. I have done a lot of things. Hi Resham, how are you? Thank you for joining in. So I'm going to tell you today that failure is not bad. Failure is better than success, Mubina. You are going to learn a lot more things when you fail rather than when you succeed in something. So just think about it. That Thank you so much, Shweta. How are you doing? Thank you for joining in. So this, you have to come out of this fear. I know it is this you're this fear of unknown. There is this fear of unknown. What is going to happen? Whether I'm going to fail, whether I'm going to succeed. So there is no way to tell whether you're going to succeed or whether you're going to fail unless we try. So my go-to answer is just give it a try. If you fail, that's okay. Just get up and try again. Give it a try. So you guys know how crazy I am about dogs, and I always give this example that if you see a puppy and if he fails at something, he will not get sad, or he'll not get he'll not give a shit about it. What he'll do is he'll just get up, he'll piss on it, and then he'll just move away from there. So that is what I want you guys to do. Just don't think about whether you're going to fail or whether you're going to succeed. Just do it. जो रिजल्ट होगा वो बाद में देखेंगे, पहले बस करो, कोशिश करो करने की. Okay, so let me see. I have a question, guys. Let me see. Mithas Ghar ki. I think that's Shreya, right? Shreya? Difficulty is when people compare prices, they don't compare the raw material, the authenticity, the taste and reviews. Okay, so Shreya, difficulty is you're saying, so if I understand your problem, the problem is that you mean that people want your products also in lower prices, whereas your prices probably are a bit higher than the market prices, right? Is that something that you're trying to say? So you have to tell people the value that you're providing to them. So what we do is, if there are two products, if people see two products and they see that you are giving a product in A plus B rupees, and they see the same product in the market in for example A rupees, so we have to tell them why are we charging extra. So the easiest solution is to make them aware. Create awareness. Why are we charging them extra? Or because I'm pretty sure if you're charging them extra, there has to be a reason behind it. You probably are using desi ghee. आप शायद मिठाई में देसी घी यूज करते होगे, or probably you have extra staff. There are reasons why we charge extra. आपका एक pricing है, price model अगर आपने setup किया है, so एक किसी reason की वजह से किया होगा. We have to inform people why are we doing that, किस लिए हम extra charge कर रहे हैं, right? So this is something that I always tell everybody, that try to create that awareness. And when we try to create that awareness, and you don't just it will not come in a day or two. एक दिन में नहीं होगा ये. We do it over a period of time. This comes over a period of time when we constantly come into that mode of talking to the community, talking to the people who are our target audience, or who are our clients, or who are our, yes, see, so you are using organic cow ghee and no white sugar. Everything is organic, which in itself is very, very expensive. So over a period of time, try to make them aware about this thing with your status updates, with your आप जो process, your behind the scenes जिसको हम कहते हैं, right? Yes, exactly. We have to make them aware. We have to tell them. और उसको रोज करो थोड़ा वीक में 2 बार 3 बार 4 बार, whenever you are putting up updates. I'm not sure, मैंने आपका Facebook पेज नहीं देखा है, Instagram feed नहीं देखी है, but think of it this way. उसको ऐसे सोचने की कोशिश करो कि we have to tell them extra charge कर रहे हैं तो क्यों charge कर रहे हैं. This is something that we have to tell them. And then gradually you will start to see that change in them. Gradually वो जो एक buying pattern है, आपको उसमें change दिखना start हो जाएगा. Okay. Do we have more questions? Let me just guys see it on the laptop. I see people in group who are so excellent in their work. I try to brush myself up, but I feel weathered out. Am I wrong trying to do so many things at the same time? So Mubina, Mubina, you know, I think I missed out on some comments in between from you. Mubina, do whatever you like. You know, you can do whatever you like. If you think that it is making you happy to try to do 10 things at a time, I will say try whatever you want to. Try whatever you want to do and whatever makes you feel happy. Yes, Sarika is saying don't think about failure before even starting. Your thought of failure can become true because thoughts become things. So see, okay, Sarika, I have a bit of a different take here. I would say that never think of failure as a bad thing, right? So I always believe that it's okay to fail, guys. I have failed, and you know, I have failed, and that has taught me a lot of things. I have come here not just by succeeding. Today, if I'm in a position to teach you guys something, it is not just by succeeding in everything. It's a process. It's a process. Unless you fail, unless you learn, unless you for you to reach up till from A to Z, you have to go through each and everything. So try and not detest, and don't just hate failure. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Try to fall in love with that process. Try to fall in love with that, everything that's attached to it. And if you like it, you trust me, if you really like what you are doing, you will really not mind not succeeding in a thing or two. Okay, so Priyanka is saying that you just started your own food YouTube channel. That's wonderful. Congratulations, Priyanka. Yes, exactly. So Shweta is saying try because you don't want to regret that you did not even take a chance. Exactly, that's what I'm trying to tell you guys, that you just have to try, because of 5 years from now, 10 years from now, you will think of today and you will think that shit यार, काश वो एक step ले लिया होता, काश वो एक का कोशिश उस टाइम कर ली होती. Okay, so I'm trying to read other questions. Okay. Yes, exactly, Sarika is right. You need to take chances to grow. Okay, so Mubina is saying that I'm scared to invest more with my limited resources right now. I've become little anxious in different ways. So Mubina, this is a very, very good point. And one thing that you need to speak to me, we need to discuss a bit more. Second thing, this is what I'm trying to tell a lot other women also, that if we have limited resources, that means we need to get better at the planning थोड़ी सी better कर दो. It is just that at times we are so scared. हम लोग ना क्या करते हैं, वो जो डर, fear of unknown होता है, we stop ourselves. We just stop ourselves and we just do not try. We stop ourselves from trying. So ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको अगर resources नहीं है तो आप try नहीं कर सकते. Guys, you guys have to understand that I always work on the bootstrap mode. मैं ज़्यादातर bootstrap mode में काम करती रहती हूँ, and I do not invest a lot of money in my work, and it is really possible. जिसके लिए पॉसिबल है इन्वेस्ट करना, वो डेफिनेटली उसको करना चाहिए. जितने रिसोर्सेज है उसको वाइजली डिवाइड कर लो. दिस इज समथिंग दैट ऑल ऑफ यू शुड डू, कि थोड़ा सा इन्वेस्टमेंट जरूरी है. अपने काम को सीरियसली लेने, बिकॉज सी यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू हैव टू टेक योर बिजनेस सीरियसली. आपको उसको सीरियसली लेना पड़ेगा. आपको रिकग्नाइज करना पड़ेगा दैट दिस इज समथिंग दैट इज गोइंग टू गिव यू रिटर्न्स. ये आपको ही रिटर्न देने वाला है, एंड वी नीड टू इन्वेस्ट समथिंग इन इट, एंड देन वी हैव टू प्लान इट अकॉर्डिंगली. सो अपने पहले रिसोर्सेज देखो, एंड देन सी वेयर योर मनी इज गोइंग, वेयर योर रिसोर्सेज आर गोइंग, एंड देन ट्राई टू प्लान इट इन अ मच बेटर वे. इफ यू आर वरिड अबाउट उसकी एक्सपेंसेस की टेंशन ले रहे हो, थिंक कहाँ जा रहा है वो एक्सपेंस. अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स सुरभि बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ शी इज स्टिल कंटिन्यूइंग टू वॉच दिस और नॉट, बट सुरभि इज अ वंडरफुल एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस गाइज. जब से सुरभि के साथ मेरे सेशन स्टार्ट हुए हैं, एंड आई एम कंटिन्यूसली रिसीविंग ओके Okay, sure, Raki. So, guys, I'm getting messages from Surbhi that, oh, she's here. So Surbhi is a wonderful example, guys. So I did a session in which I don't even remember where I spoke about that we must be very mindful कि हम कहाँ spend कर रहे हैं, and we have to, you know, बहुत ज़रूरी है ये देखना कि हम किधर spend कर रहे हैं अपने resources, कहाँ जा रहे हैं हमारे, and even if the resources are limited, it is possible कि हम ये देखें कि जहाँ ज़रूरत है, बिजनेस में ज़रूरत है तो आप बिजनेस में स्पेंड करो, लिमिटेड भी है तो भी इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली फाइन. यू कैन कम टू मी, मुझसे बात करो कैसे डिवीजन करना है, हम लोग मिलके उसके बारे में बात कर सकते हैं, डिसाइड कर सकते हैं. येस, दैट्स ओके Surbhi, and I really appreciate that you keep disturbing me a lot. It really, you know, I do, okay. That's okay, Rishabh. That's completely fine. So, you know, Mubina, it's something that you have to, we can figure it out. We can figure it out together, that if you have limited resources, और tension मत लो, resources नहीं खत्म होंगे, मेरे पास आ जाना. Do not worry at all. हम मिलके इकट्ठे साथ में मिलके we'll figure it out. Okay. Okay, so I'm trying to read other comments. Instagram, I'm not updating. So, okay, Deepti is saying, Charu is saying, any tip for my field for business growth? Charu, yes, exactly, Charu, आपका तो field ही ऐसा है कि the more you give out value to other people, because your field is a very emotional connect है आपके field से जुड़ा हुआ. So the more value you provide to the other person, the more you will get clients you will get. But हाँ, एक planning बहुत ज़रूरी है आपके field में भी. So try to do that. And structure. So structure is very important for you. And Deepti is saying that she's focusing on Facebook but never felt like joining Instagram. That's completely fine, Deepti. I see a lot of people getting distracted. वो Facebook पे भी कोशिश करते हैं फोकस करने की और Instagram पे भी फोकस करते हैं अपडेट करने की, and end of the day they lose business both from Facebook and they don't even get business from Instagram also. So it's completely fine if you just want to focus on Instagram. You have to on Facebook, you have to think whether you are getting business on Instagram or not. There are a lot of factors involved, guys. So honestly, I'm telling you, for me also, it is you know, at times it is not possible to be present on all the platforms, and especially for you guys, because social media marketing is not your core business. आपका core business नहीं है social media marketing. So please remember that be very careful, be very mindful which all social media platforms you guys want to try your you know, hands on. बहुत सोच के उसके बाद उस पे जाओ. मेरा जो वो वाला लाइव है सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म वाला कि कौन सा आपको डिसाइड करना है, देन यू गाइज यू नो शुड dwell into various different platforms, because it's I know it is very difficult to maintain all. Priyanka is asking, how do we increase subscribers on YouTube? So Priyanka, there are a lot of steps that we follow to grow the subscribers on YouTube. I have done a lot of videos, so I don't think there is any point in repeating all those points, but go to my YouTube channel, you'll find a dedicated a video on the same topic. Yes, Surbhi, there's always learning from failures. Okay, so Sonia is saying, yes, I'm going to publish my website soon. What would be the best way to promote it? Okay, so Sonia, when we so website, basically website को आपको promote करना है, so I will have to understand किस चीज़ के बारे में वेबसाइट है, क्या आप उस पर सेल करोगे. बट टू बिगिन विथ, ट्राई टू ब्रिंग इन ट्रैफिक फ्रॉम ऑल योर सोशल मीडिया चैनल्स, एंड देन एसईओ, ब्लॉग्स, ये सारी कुछ चीज़ें हैं. अगर आप इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग करवा सकते हो तो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के थ्रू आप इन्फ्लुएंसर से कनेक्ट होके उनकी ऑडियंस आप लेके आ सकते हो, तो इफ़ दैट इज़ पॉसिबल फॉर यू. अदरवाइज easiest ways are again your social media channels, SEO, blogging, and then if you know a podcaster, यही सारे तरीके होते हैं वेबसाइट पे. ऑफ कोर्स गूगल एड्स आप रन कर सकते हो अपनी वेबसाइट के लिए. हाय प्रीति. Shikha is saying, I get demotivated sometimes as I can't explore market because of some personal restrictions. So, Shikha, yes, so we are going to address this question in your next session. Do not worry about it. But again, whenever you get demotivated, remind yourself, why did you start working in first place? होता है, it is possible. सबके साथ होता है, मेरे साथ भी हो जाता है कई बार. We feel demotivated कि यार, I want to do it but I'm unable to do it. नहीं कर पा रही हूँ मैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, planned for a lot of things but I'm unable to do it. But then I tell myself, that मैंने एक reason की वजह से start किया था. And go through your old messages, go through your feedbacks. That's what I do. Talk to me, you have to talk to me, drop me a message and just see कि क्या वो personal restrictions है. Is there any solution? कुछ ऐसा permanent solution है या temporary solution है? Is there something that we can do to take care of these things so that you get some bandwidth? क्या हम कोई solution निकाल सकते हैं? सबसे पहले तो we have to find out that solution निकाल सकते हैं हम कि so that you get some time to complete your work. So ये चीज़ देखना जो है वो बहुत important है शिखा. And apart from that, let's discuss it in your next session and we will definitely will address this thing. Okay. Okay, so Vibha is saying there are many businesses which can be carried out from the home. In my case, although I have a proper setup at home, yet people, especially new clients, prefer to consult with or buy skincare from a brand which is commercially available. How do I deal with that? I'm planning for a commercial space, but it requires a huge investment and I'm not sure if the time is right to step up. Please advise. Okay, so Vibha, so if there is something that you're not ready for, do not do it. Do something when you're 100% ready for something, especially if it involves a huge investment, especially, right? Hi Neeta, thank you for joining in. Okay, so my this thing, 2 cents on it is completely fine if someone, देखो advice आपकी कोई तभी लेगा when they believe in your work, right? अगर आपके काम पे किसी को यकीन नहीं है तो वो आपके commercial setup पे भी आके आपके advice पे believe नहीं करेगा, because in any case you will not be in a street or you will be different. You will always be different. Ura will always be different from Forest Essential या Kama Ayurveda. आप different ही रहोगे. So influence में आके मत करो that if 2 people or 3 people came in and told you something, कुछ feedback उन्होंने दिया आपको, ये कहा कि आपका अगर commercial space होता तो शायद हम आपकी बात मान लेते या ऐसे. Do not go with that. So you do something only because you want to do it. आप अगर उस चीज़ के लिए convinced हो कि आपको लगता है that I think Ura now is in a position to make that investment और Vibha Suri is in a position to make that investment, तभी आपको वो investment करनी चाहिए. Because skincare जो है, again you remember we were talking about you going live. So I think you should start with that step first. If it is an issue with the belief or trust का अगर issue है, so I think that we can resolve without you making a very very huge investment and a commitment. So पहले आप उससे start करो and think of it as a business plan. अपने business plan पहले chalk out करो कि what do you want to do, क्या पहले आ रहा है and what comes the next. Do not just make a huge investment because someone told you that you should have a commercial setup and then people will just start believing in your advices and people will just start automatic. People will not do it. So वो तभी आप it is a game of trust and belief between you and the client. So think about it. इसको सोचो अच्छे से, पहले ध्यान दो इस चीज़ पे and then only, because see, yes, I'm reading your comment again. You are a total it's very personal with you. I also keep recommending you to a lot of people because I know that you will not deal with someone someone with the way body care or with the way Innisfree is dealing or with the way Color Bar is dealing, वो सिर्फ अपना प्रोडक्ट सेल करते हैं. I know, and you give people advice. आप advice देते हो how to कैसे, because I have spoken with you and this is your USP, play with it. ये जो आपका USP यूनिक सेलिंग पॉइंट आपका ये ही है कि Oura जो है वो एक सिर्फ एक स्किन केयर ही नहीं रेंज ही सेल नहीं कर रहा है. Oura इज विभा सूरी, जिसपे हमको ट्रस्ट है, जिसपे हमको जो कि हम जानते हैं कि एक स्किन केयर स्पेशलिस्ट है. सो वो एक जो स्पेशलिस्ट वाली चीज़ है ना, वो आपको दैट इज़ योर USP एंड दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू शुड हाईलाइट. उसको आगे लेके बढ़ो. ओके ओके, सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू रीड some more comments. So Ruchi is saying that I am trying my level best but not getting good results. So Ruchi, we have to find out what are you doing and what kind of results are you expecting, because थोड़ा सा वेग सा स्टेटमेंट है, आई एम ट्राइंग माई लेवल बेस्ट बट नॉट गेटिंग गुड रिजल्ट्स. सो हमने क्वांटिफिकेशन नहीं किया किसी चीज़ का, इसलिए मैं रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर पा रही हूँ इस क्वेश्चन को. हाय साक्षी. Surbhi saying I keep disturbing you a lot. Thank you so much, Surbhi. That's okay, Resham. Okay, guys. So I'm trying to read if I'm getting more questions. Ashwini is saying, hi, I'm an entrepreneur, just started with my clothing brand, need to connect with you on how to grow it online. We are on the way to set up a website. Most welcome, Ashwini. I will leave my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is always in the group also, and please feel free to connect with me. Shilki, any tips to get good clients from the group and best way to connect with them? So how to grow your business from the group, Shilki? I think that is the main question. So for anyone, so see guys, very good question by the way, Shilki, very very good question. And this is one of the points that I wanted to touch base also today, that going forward we have to identify the power of communities, the power of sticking to people. एक जो communities की strength power है उसको realize करना हम सब के लिए बहुत बहुत important है. Stick to a few communities, guys. I see people, what they'll do is they'll just dabble to every new group that they see, जहाँ पे भी free marketing, free advertising मिल रहा है. I see people going there every day. Do it, कोई बात नहीं, करो. If you want to do that, do it, but do not leave your core community. So I'm not saying that make Mrs. Diva only your core community. I'm trying to tell you 2-3 कुछ कोर कम्युनिटीज़ बना के रखो जहाँ पे आपकी पहचान बन सके, जहाँ पे आपके लिए आपके साथ लोग हों, जहाँ पे आप you have that feeling of belongingness, where you get support, where you support each other, where you support other people, and where other people support you. So this is something, because इसका एक collective impact. Vibha made a post day before yesterday. If you have read that post, you would know what I'm talking about, that it really helps when collectively people start recommending you. I am a living example for that. Guys, I am really a living example for that. In just Mrs. Diva का जो ग्रुप है guys, we started it just 1 साल से थोड़ा सा ही ज़्यादा टाइम हुआ है हमें बने ग्रुप स्टार्ट हुए, and honestly the kind of success that we have today, it was not possible if you guys were not here with me. So ये जो community बनी है, ये community की जो ये strength है, ये power है, ये आप लोगों की वजह से आई है, because we are together. So ये कहाँ से आया है, because we are together with each other, and this is what I keep telling you guys, to stick with each other. Together we grow, right? So यही चीज़ है. बिजनेस की बात जो है वो इसी वजह से है, बिजनेस इसीलिए आता है बिकॉज वी आर कॉन्स्टेंट रिमाइंडर्स कम्युनिटी में डालो. डेफिनेटली एड वैल्यू शेयर करो. ब्यूटी टिप्स, शिल्की आप तो ब्यूटी एक्सपर्ट हो, शेयर टिप्स, लेट पीपल नो. सुंदर दिखना किसको नहीं अच्छा लगता, स्पेशली वुमेन. सो गिव देम ब्यूटी टिप्स, गिव देम छोटे छोटे टिप्स दो, एंड टेल देम विच प्रोडक्ट्स टू यूज, कौन से आपके प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो उनको बेनिफिट दे सकते हैं, एंड देन दे विल ग्रेजुअली कीप कमिंग बैक टू यू. वो ही आपके पास चल के वापस आता है. सो आई गिव यू अ फ्यू एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ पीपल. सो दे सारिका का आप एग्जाम्पल ले लो. सारिका को आपने के अपडेट्स आप देखो. शी इज वन ऑफ दोज पीपल हु जस्ट स्प्रेड्स हैप्पीनेस. सो सारिका जो है सिर्फ अपने फ्लावर्स के जो अपडेट्स हैं और कलर थेरेपी की भी अगर मैं बात करूँ तो वो she has a lot of people going to her for color therapy और इन सब गाइडेंस के लिए हम लोग जाते हैं उनके पास, but she rarely posts about it. राइट, एग्जैक्टली सुरभि. सो कैसे होता है ये? बिकॉज शी जस्ट हेल्प्स पीपल आउट, शी जस्ट एड्स वैल्यू, शी जस्ट स्प्रेड्स हैप्पीनेस. दैट्स व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. विनीशा को आप देख लो. सो व्हाट शी इज डूइंग इज शी इज जस्ट स्प्रेडिंग हैप्पीनेस. एंड देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन द ग्रुप में. साक्षी की आप ये इन सब की आप मैं एग्जाम्पल्स, राखी की को आप देखो. दे जस्ट आर एडिंग वैल्यू. सिर्फ हम वैल्यू ऐड कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे के लिए. एंड दिस इज हाउ इन दिस प्रोसेस वी गेन मोर क्लाइंट्स, वी गेट मोर बिजनेस एंड वी गेट मोर. सो बिकॉज इन दिस टुडेज सिनेरियो, आज का सिनेरियो ऐसा हो गया है, देर इज सो मच ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, देर इज सो मच ऑफ so many options for the clients. इतने options हैं लोगों के पास किसी भी एक चीज़ के लिए. छोटी सी चीज़ अगर मैं आज ये एक पेन, चलो पेन बहुत ही शायद छोटी चीज़ होगी, मैं अगर एक दुपट्टा लेने जाऊंगी तो बहुत सारे options हैं, right? how is a client going to differ between sellers या सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स की मैं अगर बात करूँ तो कैसे? सर्विस में और ज़्यादा दिक्कत होती है. प्रोडक्ट तो फिर भी एक फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट हो जाता है, बट सर्विस में या ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स की में हम बात कर लेते हैं बिकॉज आप ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स में हैं. सो कैसे क्लाइंट कैसे डिफर करेगा? वैल्यू से ही तो करेगा डिफर, राइट? वो क्यों शिल्की के पास क्यों आएगा? आई रिमेंबर समवन गिविंग अ रिव्यू फॉर यू शिल्की, और उन्होंने क्या रिव्यू दिया था? आई रिमेंबर दिस ऑल्सो दैट शिल्की हैज़ I think Pratiksha का review था that Shilki really gave me advice what to get, which stick out to me also. कि अच्छा Shilki ने अच्छा next time if I want to buy something I'll go to Shilki. This is what you have. This has worked for you. So build onto this only. इसी पे आगे बढ़ो, इसी को आगे grow करो कि ये एक चीज़ जो है आपके लिए काम करी. दैट यू ऑनेस्टली हेल्प्ड समवन, यू ऑनेस्टली गिव देम ब्यूटी एडवाइस दैट वर्कड फॉर देम. सो इसी को आगे चीज बढ़ाना है हमें. दिस बिकेम योर USP, राइट? सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट विल वर्क फॉर यू. So Mubina is saying I'm also not much focused on Instagram. I'm focusing more on Facebook business. Perfectly fine Mubina, don't worry. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. मैं सबको ये कहती हूँ जितना हो सके सिर्फ उतना करो. Nothing is beyond your mental peace and your अपने जितना कर सकोगे उतना ही तो कर पाओगे ना, उससे ज़्यादा मत करो. Okay. Preeti Nagpal is saying I'm still not available on Instagram. Should I use this? Is it helpful for my business? Preeti, I will need more details dear to answer this question. बिजनेस के बारे में, हम किस बिजनेस के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, कितना आप फेसबुक पे टाइम अभी लगा रहे हो, कितना बिजनेस हम फेसबुक से लेके आ रहे हैं, कितना टाइम आप इंस्टाग्राम पे दे सकते हो. बिकॉज गाइज इंस्टाग्राम यील्ड देता है लेकिन वी नीड टू स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम ऑन इट. आइदर यू गेट एन एक्सटर्नल हेल्प फॉर इंस्टाग्राम और यू शुड बी रेडी टू स्पेंड टाइम ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. ओके, यस एग्जैक्टली. सुबह प्रियंका बर्डी से बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल कौन सा हो सकता है? Yes, so Priyanka Kulshresht is asking, can you help home bakers also for increase their business? Priyanka, we did a business coaching session with Smriti Saraf Murarka, home baker ही है वो, and you watch that session. आपको पेज पे मिल जाएगा वो, मिसेस दीवा के पेज पे मिलेगा, यूट्यूब के चैनल पे भी मिलेगा. I had given a lot of pointers कि home bakers कैसे business grow कर सकते हैं. If you still need more help, please do come back to me. Sarika is saying, I believe in putting in best which is within our capacity. Exactly, that's what Sarika does. Okay. Ashwini, could you please send in your question again? Probably I missed it because बहुत सारे comments एक के बाद एक आ रहे हैं. Okay, Jumana has a question. Asta, I have one question. Asta, I'm dealing in imitation jewelry since past 10 years, and now I have started dealing in 92.5 silver jewelry too. So what you think, can I post both the varieties to my single page? Does it make any confusion to my customers' mind when they come to my page to see my collection? What impression they will be getting when I put both the collection? Jumana, I think there is no problem in putting both the collection on your page because दोनों ही jewelry है. हाय रीना, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग इन. सो दोनों ही ज्वेलरी है, एक ही पेज पे डालो, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. व्हाट आई थिंक इज सिर्फ आप क्लियरली डिमार्केट कर दो व्हेन यू स्टार्ट योर जब आप स्टेटस डाल रहे हो तो ऊपर उसको क्लियरली डिमार्केट कर दो, या कुछ टेल इट टू टेल द क्लाइंट बेसिकली जो देख रहा है, या फोटो पे कुछ लगा दो 92.5 सिल्वर करके लिख दो, या आपका जो इमिटेशन ज्वेलरी है उसको स्टेटस में आप हैशटैग करके इमिटेशन ज्वेलरी लिख दो, या हैशटैग 92.5 सिल्वर करके लिख दो. बट इट इज कंप्लीटली फाइन. आप एक ही पेज पे डालो, नो इश्यूज एट ऑल. आई रियरली सजेस्ट एनीवन टू गेट डिफरेंट पेजेस अनलेस वो बहुत ही डिफरेंट बिजनेसेस क्यों ना हो, बिकॉज 2 पेजेस का मतलब है उन दोनों पेजेस पे साइमल्टेनियसली बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करके काम करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. और ज्वेलरी इज परफेक्टली फाइन. Yes, Vibha Suri is the best. I agree, Pooja. Mubina is saying, I have also spoken with Vibha ma'am. She gave advice and she just didn't sell her products. Exactly, that's what I'm talking about, guys. Vibha is not any, mall में जाके आप industry में चले जाओ, आप color bar में चले जाओ. They just want to sell their product. Vibha doesn't do that. We all know. Okay, so Mubina is saying, I'm also facing the same problem. I have 2 businesses, beads and upcycling. How do I promote from single page? Okay, so Mubina, what is the second business? Upcycling of what? Give me more details. Aruna ji is saying, I post only on this group. I feel very comfortable here to share my work. Thank you, Aruna ji. Guys, so this reminds me that it is completely fine if you guys are active on just one group, but this is my request, personal request to everybody else, that whenever you see that if there is a query outside of this group and you know that this person is doing that work, please do not forget to tag that person. So for example, we know that for crochet Aruna ji is doing and Shreya is doing. If you see any query outside of this group anywhere, किसी भी और group में आप देखो, do make sure that you tag both of them. And this is the reason why I keep asking all of you to make regular posts in the group, guys, so that everybody keeps this thing and registers this thing in their mind कि आपका बिजनेस क्या है, आपका काम क्या है, आप क्या चीज कर रहे हो. सो फॉर मी आई गेट अ लॉट ऑफ मैसेजेस कि मैम आप ना कुछ लोगों को ही प्रमोट करते हो, आप कपड़े से रिलेटेड पोस्ट देखते हो, सो यू आइदर प्रमोट सुरभि, यू आइदर प्रमोट पूजा जादव, या आप डॉक्टर कीर्ति को, शिविका को प्रमोट करते हो. सो द रीजन इज कविता भूटानी को प्रमोट करते हो. द रीजन इज दिस बिकॉज दे आर सो कनेक्टेड विद मी, दे कीप इन टच विद मी दैट आई रिमेंबर व्हाट द बिजनेस इज अबाउट. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई कीप asking you, या तो आप either you stay in touch with me constantly or you make constant posts in the group so that it registers in everybody else's mind कि आप क्या काम कर रहे हो, right? That's why it is very, very important. So please remember this thing. Okay. So I'm moving on, guys. There are so many points that I wanted to discuss. Okay, guys, it's 4:47 and we have our next session scheduled with we introduce the time change for Sakshi and Malti. I'm just going to take 2-3 more minutes so that I can answer if we have any more questions. Ashwini, I did not get your question, dear. Okay, so Ashwini is saying that you answered it, dear. Thank you. We'll connect with you via WhatsApp. Sure, Ashwini. No issues at all. What you said for Shilki, it goes with me too. Yes, Dr. Shatabdi. Okay. So, Yes. Let me just see if we have more questions. So Mubina saying upcycle bottle lights and any gift articles from upcycle goods and upcycle furnishings. So Mubina, I think that it goes very well with your bead business because that is also related to gifting. It is in tandem with your gifting beads wala thing. But I will need more details. Let's discuss it over WhatsApp. Give me more details. कि challenge exactly आपको क्या आ रहा है, and then we can resolve it. Yes, great guys. Yes, sure, Shiki. So, Shiki is saying, just wanted to ask you about one thing that I'm facing. My products are light in weight and sometimes have to pack them. Cartons and courier people charge volume rates for shipping which are too high, and client is not ready to pay. How to manage such issues, please? ओके सो शिखी, सो बेसिकली शिपिंग के जो चार्जेस हैं, एक तो आप सी इफ यू कैन एक तो कोरियर वाले से आप सी इफ यू कैन गेट अनदर वेंडर कोरियर का, आप देखो क्या वेंडर आप यूज कर रहे हो, एंड ट्राई टू सी इफ यू कैन गेट अनदर वेंडर, दूसरा वेंडर आप रोप इन कर सकते हो. तो then you have to probably inform the client कि this is the challenge that we have and this is the pricing of the courier, because हमारा packaging charge है, because अगर वो courier का charge नहीं देंगे तो packaging का charge लेना पड़ेगा, because at that will end up being the same thing. So you have to inform them, tell them that it is by the volume and this is the charge. So अब जिसको सामान चाहिए उसको pay तो करना ही पड़ेगा. So it's better that you tell them straight up that this is the reason why our courier charge is high, because ये वॉल्यूम के हिसाब से जाता है, शिपिंग वॉल्यूम के हिसाब से होती है. And I think if someone wants the product, then they have to pay for it, because अब क्या कर सकते हो, आपको जो सामान लेना है तो पैसे तो देने पड़ेंगे. Most welcome, Kiran. So Preeti is asking, I've started posting in the group, is the post fine? So Preeti, I have मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा आपकी पोस्ट अभी दिखी नहीं है. Try to post a bit more, थोड़ा ज़्यादा रेगुलर पोस्ट करने की कोशिश करो. Probably शायद मेरी फीड में नहीं आनी स्टार्ट हुई है अभी. Either that could be one of the reasons, but I'm pretty sure post definitely ठीक होंगी. Okay guys, so if you have any more questions, do drop in. Let me just see. I had made so many notes for today's sessions, and okay, that's okay. The main motive was to resolve your queries, guys. Let me know if I've missed any of your questions in between. Okay, so Kiran is saying, should I use one page for clothing and travel business? So Kiran, थोड़ा ज़्यादा डिफरेंट है. क्लोथिंग एंड ट्रैवल आर टू वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट बिजनेसेस एंड टू वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट निशेस. बहुत ज़्यादा डोमेन डिफरेंट हो जाएगा. Try to if you can manage, try to do it from different pages, because clothing business and travel को आपस में कनेक्ट करना बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंट है. डिफिकल्ट चीज़ हो जाएगी. सो इफ इट हैड बीन समथिंग एल्स, आई प्रोबेबली वुड हैव आस्क्ड यू कि नहीं एक से कर लेते हैं, बट थोड़ा ज़्यादा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. सो ट्राई टू मेक डिफरेंट पेज फॉर ट्रैवल एंड ट्राई टू मेक, यू ऑलरेडी हैव रिट्स क्रिएशंस है ही हमारे पास फॉर क्लोथिंग. सो ट्रैवल जो है वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट पेज से करना. And then we have Shilki, how can I stay in touch with you? You can always message me whenever you want, Shilki. Jumana is saying you're such a lovely friend. Thank you, Jumana. Thank you for this lovely session, Mubina. Mubina is saying, okay, most welcome, Mubina. So guys, let me know if you guys have if you have any more questions. You can drop in the comment section. If I've missed any question, किसी का आंसर मैं देना मुझसे रह गया हो तो do let me know. Tagging on Aruna ji is asking on VS tagging in comments, which is better? Aruna ji, I'm so sorry, मैं question नहीं समझ पा रही हूँ आपका. VS tagging, so sorry. आप कोई बात नहीं, आप मुझसे WhatsApp पे पूछ लीजिएगा. No worries at all. Tagging on VS tagging in comments मैं नहीं समझ पाई. Thank you so much, Sarika. Thank you, Ruchi. Thank you, Surbhi. Thank you, Kiran. Thank you, Garima. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. And do like ग्रुप देखते रहना, बहुत सारे सरप्राइजेस, बहुत सारे न्यू ऑफर्स, सब कुछ आने वाला है. एंड साक्षी एंड मालती आर जस्ट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द सेशन. अभी जल्दी से हम फटाक से स्टार्ट करते हैं. साक्षी एंड मालती विल बी रेडी. आई एम सो सॉरी, कल से वो लोग 4:45 पे स्टार्ट कर देंगे. आज मेरे ही सेशन की वजह से थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया है. वी आर रियली रियली सॉरी फॉर दैट. थैंक यू सो मच गाइज. बाय बाय.